Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find Coinbase wire transfer receipt details. To find your wire transfer receipt details on Coinbase, start by signing into your account through the app or browser, then open the main menu, usually in the top left or profile section, and navigate to the deposit option. From there, select transfer from and choose wire transfer as your deposit method, which will prompt a quick identity verification step if you haven't completed it yet. Once verified, Coinbase will display your full wire transfer receiving details, including your recipient name, bank address, routing number, and any other required banking information needed to complete the transfer. You can then copy these details exactly as shown and use them when sending a wire transfer from your bank to ensure the funds are properly credited to your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.